Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now in today's video, I am going to be showing you my Wow Skin Science haul. I put a poll on my Instagram and you guys said that you want to see my haul. So that's why I've come up here with my haul for you all. So without any further ado, let's just get into the video. Before getting into the haul, let me tell you a little backstory of Wow as a brand. Now, Wow, why is Wow so famous amongst every blogger, vlogger, YouTuber, everybody, literally everybody is talking about the brand? It is because it claims a lot of big things. First, it says it has no silicone, no parabens, no sulfates, a clean product. Now, claiming such big things in today's day and age is a very big thing because today the customer is very mindful. They know what they want to spend their money at and they know their ingredients, right? So everyone knows that paraben, silicone, these things are not safe for us. Therefore, while putting up on the packaging, the brand made sure that they put that in bold letters so that the customers can see it. That's a smart move, I guess. And the second thing which is also very nice about the brand is that it is cruelty free. That's why everybody is investing their money into this brand and trying and testing the products from the company. And the third thing about the brand is that it is a women-run brand. Yes, majority of the employees also in the organization are providing employment to the women, which is a great move. And they also have discounts left, right, and center running on their page all day, all night. Now, this company sell their products on various platforms like Nykaa, Purple, Big Basket, and many more. But I would prefer and I would suggest you to buy the products from their official website. Why? Because you get a lot of deals and a lot of great discounts. For example, while you shop for the first time from their brand, you get a 20% off coupon, which is only applicable on their website. So you save a lot of money that way. I literally got these many things. Now I bought a lot less than what I received. How? Because I got it under the deal buy 2 get 4 samples. I got it under a deal where I was paying for like 2 big products, but in return I was getting 4 sample size products free. And also it doesn't stop there. Since I was buying from their website for the first time, I also applied the coupon and I got 20% off, which led to a great discount. Honestly, and I got so many products at a very good price, I would want to say. So that was all about the brand. So the first thing that I want to talk about is the thing that is selling like a hot cake. Okay, everybody is talking about this. It is the apple cider vinegar foaming face wash from the company, and it says that it has all the good stuff and it has no paraben, no sulfate, no silicones, and no color, which is a great claim for any face wash because these things are not good for your skin. Okay, and if it doesn't have this, then obviously it is a good product. Other thing which blew my mind was the innovative strategy of the brand by putting these things, these bristles, on the face wash itself. Right now you just have to pump it and it will release the product here, and you can scrub your face simultaneously while washing your face. And this is such a great move. It is also very soft and very handy to use. I really love this innovation in a brand. Not used them, and if you want a review, you can leave the comments down below. I will review it for you all. I'll be happy to review it. It says that it is foaming and it deep cleanses the skin and helps purify pores and control blackhead, which is such a good thing. And apple cider vinegar in itself is a really nice ingredient, so I'm really excited to be using this product. By the way, the outer packaging of the product looks like this and the product itself looks like this. Next thing that I got is the apple cider vinegar foaming body wash. Now it claims the same thing, that it has no paraben, sulfate, silicone or color, and it says that it is infused with organic apple cider vinegar, shea butter and vitamin E. If you know, shea butter and vitamin E is really nice for your skin and they hydrate your skin so well, and if it claims that, then this has to be a very that sort of a luxurious product which provides you a lot of moisturization after you're out of the bath. Also, I got it in the same range because I really love apple cider vinegar as an ingredient, so therefore I bought this. Now I bought these two under the offer. Like I bought the apple cider vinegar foaming face wash and the apple cider vinegar body wash, and with that I got 4 samples which I'll be showing you towards the end. Now let's just move to another package, like the other 2 products that I bought in another pack. Now the third thing which I got is the thing which brought so much of attention to the brand and everybody started buying products from this brand. I'm talking about the Wow aloe vera gel. Now, everyone knows the aloe vera gel has great properties and is very great for our skin, for our hair, for our whole body. You can use it literally anywhere and everywhere. Now it was the product which was most talked about and people actually started buying Wow products because it was so much in the talk, so everybody wanted to invest their money into it. So this got so much of eyeballs that the brand became so famous overnight because it says that it has 99% pure aloe vera gel, which means it is equivalent to what you would actually extract out of the plant and apply it on your skin. Obviously it will have some sort of chemicals, otherwise you just can't preserve it in a bottle. So the last thing that I want to talk about from this brand which I bought is the Wow Onion Black Seed Hair Oil. It comes with the comb applicator. Now you can put this comb applicator and can use the oil directly. Now if you are coming from my Instagram, you'd know that I always rave about how onion juice and onion oil is really nice for your hair because it is such a booster for your hair growth and it also prevents so many allergies and it also helps you to grow thick hair, which is so convenient. You just have to use it without dirtying your hand. You can use the applicator. It will create less of a mess and it says that it suits all hair type, and yeah, it also has no mineral oil, no silicones, no cooking oil or no synthetic fragrances, which means that almost anybody can use it. These were the products that I got in 2 packages, 2 of them each in each package, and with that what I got, I'll show you. Talk about the samples. I got 4 samples in each box, which makes a total of 8. Now the first set of samples that I got in each box, like 2 samples that I'm going to talk about are the same samples which I got in each box. It is the onion black seed hair oil. I've bought the full size of it and I've got 2 samples, so I am not going to get over the supply for a really long time now. It comes with a 30 ml packaging, which means that I have 60 ml of a product. The actual product was 100 ml, which means now I have 160 ml of a product, which I don't think is going to finish for a really long time. So I will definitely be reviewing this product for you and I will tell you if you should buy it or if you should not. So keep an eye on my YouTube channel. The next set of sample that I got is again a 30 milliliter sample, but it is the apple cider vinegar shampoo. Now as you can see, my whole apple cider vinegar range is complete. Now I have the face wash, the body wash and the shampoo, which is such a good product. I think because it claims that it is a gentle and a natural detox formula for stresses, and it is a pH balanced shampoo and it helps to remove buildups, restore shine and smoothness, which means if you know anything about hair care, you'd know that any product which claims that it can remove buildup is a really nice product. Buildups can actually damage your hair and can cause a lot of hair fall. So if it works, I'm really gonna tell you and I'm really gonna suggest you to buy it. The next product which I got in each box is the body butter, Nargis body butter, and it smells so good, you guys. I have used one of this. I'll show you. So I have used this one and it smells so good. Like, it has a very faint fragrance, so if you are that person who does not like fragrance that much, I don't think it will give you a headache or it will irritate you. But the consistency on this is so thick that it leaves your skin super moisturized. Last but not the least is the Wow Upton face and body scrub. Now, scrubs I don't actually use for my face anymore. I don't like physical exfoliants. I am more of a chemical exfoliant person now, but yes, I can use it for my body. It says that it has chickpea flour, almond shell powder, saffron, turmeric extracts, rose water and sandalwood oil, and also claims that it helps to smooth, soften, revive dull skin, which is a great claim, and obviously scrubs are meant to do that. So I'm really excited to be using that for my body. You can use this before you shave your body. It's a really nice product if you want to, you know, scrub your body. I've not used it. When I use it, I will definitely tell you how it worked for me. Now that is all that I bought from Wow. I mean, if you want any of the reviews of the product, then please leave it in the comments down below. I'll be the happiest to share my reviews with you all. It's an Ayurvedic brand, and you know, Wow has been talked a lot by a lot of bloggers, vloggers, so I'm really excited to be using it on myself. I've never tried these before, but the most excited that I am to use any product, I think I am excited to be using the onion black seed hair oil and the body wash. I don't know, I like every product. Now when I'm thinking, I really want to try the face wash as well, because it's also foaming and it says that it removes the blackhead and you know, it helps with the clogged pores. So I don't know. And this you know, this body wash has shea butter and vitamin E, which means hydration, and I love hydrating my body. So I don't know, I'm really excited to be using all the products, I guess. So I will be sharing my review if you want me to. So if you like this video, then please don't forget to hit the like button, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. And please share my work with your friends and family, and that would mean the world to me. And that is it about the video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.